Working of system unit. Student will be able to define system unit as the main part of the computer. List the content of the system unit. Understand the CPU as the important part of the system unit. Classify 3 different parts of the CPU. Define memory unit as a device that stores information. Define control unit as the part of the CPU that controls the working of computer. Define arithmetic logic unit where all arithmetic operations are performed. System unit is the main part of the computer. It contains CD drive, hard disk, and central processing unit CPU. The basic structure of a computer is system unit, input device, output device. When we send the instructions by an input device, the data is processed in the CPU. And then we get the output from the output device. An important part of the system unit is the central processing unit, CPU. The CPU is called the brain of the computer because it controls all the work of the computer. The CPU has 3 parts: memory unit, control unit, arithmetic logic unit. Memory unit. The storing device of a computer is known as the memory. Memory is an important part of CPU. When information is fed into the computer, the CPU first sends it to the memory and it is stored there. The information to be stored may be the names of your friends or the marks of the students in your class. Control unit. This unit controls all the parts of the computer. It deals with the input as per the instructions using the memory and ALU. After the processing, it sends results back to the memory from where they reach the output device. Arithmetic logic unit. This part performs arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also performs comparison operations like equal to, less than, etc. Working of CPU. Student enters a maths problem into the memory of the computer. The control unit takes the problem instructions, addition and data 23,45. The control unit decodes and sends the instructions and data to ALU. ALU performs the calculation on the data. 23 plus 45 is equal to 68. The result of the maths problem is stored in the memory. The results appear on the screen. Good habits. The room where your system is kept should never be too hot. It is not good for your system. More to know. Latest video cameras are also having a hard disk fixed inside to store data permanently. Keywords: Central Processing Unit, Arithmetic Logic Unit, Memory Unit, Control Unit.